Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 Ultra and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So let's begin with removing cache. So I highly recommend to go to the settings, then scroll and find the apps and tap on app management. So here we've got the list of all apps which are currently saved on this device, and basically what I highly recommend to do is to go through all of those apps and remove cache. So just find the app and tap on it, then tap on storage usage, and here we've got this cache section. So cache are basically junk files which are usually saved by your device. They are not really that necessary for the normal usage of the app, but they are occupying memory. So simply tap on clear cache, and I highly recommend to clear cache in all of those apps which we've got here. Moreover, after that, I highly recommend to soft reset your device. So press the power button and the volume up button together once, like that, and then drag this ball to this restart option. And your device will be automatically powered off and then powered on again. Basically, it is meant to confirm, let's say, all of the changes. And I also highly recommend to simply check the phone manager. It is pre-installed on your device, so for sure you've got one. Just tap on it, and here we've got the option to optimize and clean up storage and system boost, of course. So simply tap on optimize to let your device optimize itself. So your device will remove some unnecessary files. You can also enter clean up storage, and here you can remove different things, like for example photos, documents, large files. I mean, they are gathered in a specific place in specific categories, so it might be a little bit easier for you to look to find the files which you don't really need and remove them. And here we've got also recently deleted, so you can check all of the things which you've previously removed and to remove it manually permanently. So that will of course release the data, also the memory. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.